and in this video I'll be showing you how to pack and roll up your dry bag. For this video, I'd like to start off by showing you how big our dry bags are. I'm 5'5", and this is me getting fully into the dry bag and sitting in it, so you can tell you can fit a lot of stuff in it. But we would encourage not to bring too much stuff. It can make the bag heavy and awkward to carry. You also want to leave room to roll down the dry bag, and I'll show you guys how to do that in a minute. But here I'm putting in 2 of our sleeping bags into the dry bag and pushing them all the way down to the bottom of it to make sure that there's plenty of room for other stuff. Now I'm taking our fitted sheet. I'm going to fill in any empty spaces that are in the bag. This just helps make sure that we are using all the space that is provided. Now notice the logo on the front. You want to roll your dry bag towards that logo to make sure the handle that's on the back is easy accessible. Here I'm showing you the correct way on how to roll it down. Don't roll it like this. Roll that little flap over first and then roll it over, and that helps with keeping water out of your dry bag. You don't want all your clothes or sleeping bags to get wet throughout the day. I like to press my knee in to make sure that we get all of the air out. This makes the dry bag more compact. Now I'm just going to roll down towards that logo. And then each side should have a clip. So I'm just going to clip those on and cinch it down to make sure that water doesn't get into the bag. Now see how the handle is easy to get to? That's how you do your big dry bag. This is our day bags that you guys will get and use throughout the day and get in and out of. Once again, pushing all the air out of the bag. And I'm taking that blue flap and folding it over so the gray is one long strip. And then keep folding that over, and that just helps keep the water out. Now these are different. These 2 clips actually clip into each other, so you just simply clip them together, and voila, there's your day bag.